I am making 3 ingredient peach cobbler with my cake mix right here. I am taking my peaches. I found these for $1 on clearance. I'm going to pour those in. Then some of the big ones, just going to chop those up. Then we're going to take our cake mix. I'm going to sprinkle it over the top. Then cut our butter up into small pieces. Now, if you want my original peach crisp recipe, that was my great grandma's. Dining on a Dime Volume 1 has it. Then we're going to place our butter all over the top. Then this part is optional, but if you want, you can sprinkle cinnamon and sugar all over the top also. Okay, now we're going to cook this and show you our 3 ingredient peach cobbler. Get up to 40% off all of our print books and ebooks at livingonadime.com for our Christmas in July sale. Easy recipes to get you in and out of the kitchen quick, your family will love. Okay, I took the lid off and let some of the moisture come out. Now, let's see here. This seems to be pretty moist, but if it's too moist, I might retest this with draining some of the liquid. So, let's see what happens here. Well, it looks really good. Yum. Can you pause for 1 second? Are you giving me my music? Okay, so it looks really good. Let me see what it tastes like. Okay, it's really moist, but it's really delicious. I would put some ice cream and some whipped cream. If you don't like it super moist, then drain 2 cans of the peaches. But I like it this way. Yum. I'm making a 2 ingredient cake mix. I got strawberry cake mix right there. And pour it in. And then my water, I don't count water in ingredients. I'm assuming everybody in America has water. I mean, you know, this isn't somewhere where we have a lack of water problem, so not counting that as an ingredient. And then my yogurt. I have this leftover yogurt nobody is eating, and I do not have enough. Brother figures. I ran out of yogurt, so I had a little bit of sour cream left also, and I'm going to use that. And we're going to mix. All right, got my refillable oil sprayer here. Love this thing. going to go bake this in the oven and we'll come back and frost it. The recipe is in the description below and on our website, livingonadime.com. This cake is so absolutely moist and delicious. Oh, wow. Okay, that is good. I am making some Cool Whip strawberry cookies. Oh my goodness. I've made a different variation of these before. Let's see what strawberry tastes like. All right, got my cake mix, my egg, my whipped topping, ooh, look how nice and fluffy. I have my parchment paper here that I am reusing. I think this is the third time I've used it. I don't know, maybe we should see how many times Tara can get out of a parchment paper. Recipe is in the description below, as always. livingonadime.com. Gonna throw these in the oven and bake them. Okay, here is the strawberry Cool Whip cookies. Oh my goodness. All right, we'll get one of the guys in here to taste test.
Your views have been down because you only posted 2 videos and normally you post 16 in this time frame. Like, oh, really?
I'm tired.
No, I'm fine. What's this?
Okay, that is a Cool Whip cookie.
Ooh, it smells
3 ingredient
very
Cool Whip
delicious. It
cookie.
smells amazing.
Okay, try that one.
Mmm.
Is that good?
It is. I don't know if it's strawberry or cherry, but I like that.
Strawberry.
Mm.
That one's good. Yay! I am making a 2 ingredient cake. 1 package of cake mix. Now, my cake mix is expired by about 9 months, so I'm just adding a little bit of baking powder in case my baking powder is expired in my cake, but you don't need to do that. Okay, I don't know where my measuring cup went, but I need 1 can or 12 ounces, which is 1.5 cups. So I'm going to measure with this instead. Okay, there we go. Now, I'm going to stir this all together. You can use the mixer if you want. Then we have our pan. Now, I don't count oil and salt and pepper and water in my ingredients with my 2 ingredient recipes because I assume everyone always has those on hand. Okay, now we're gonna put this in the pan. We're gonna bake it. Wow, that looks really good. Okay, so let's see. Ooh, comes out clean. Okay, so you can frost this. You can do powdered sugar. I want to try spreading some jam with whipped cream on top. I don't know. What should I try, guys? I'm gonna let it cool while I'm thinking about it, and then I'll let you know. Okay, it's gardening season, so just ignore that. My clothes. That is delicious. Okay, it is really good, just plain. It just tastes like, I did the yellow cake and the 7-Up, and it's like a light pound cake. It's not as heavy as a pound cake, but it's not as fluffy as a angel food cake. It's kind of like in between an angel food cake and a pound cake. And it tastes like a sugar cookie. Or a butter cookie. It tastes like a butter cookie. Oh my goodness, that is really good. Okay, so now I think I'm gonna try it with a little bit of jam and whipped topping. Okay, so see if we can get something similar. Don't see, I know I can get something similar to what am I trying to say? Strawberry shortcake. Okay, so here we go. Now, what I would do is if I'm putting this on the entire cake, I would make my strawberry jam. I'm going for a strawberry shortcake taste. Now you can put strawberries like with sugar and all that. You could do that if you wanted. Okay. That is absolutely darn tootin' good. Holy cow. Delicious. This one's a winner, guys. I'm not going to do the whole cake because I think my family likes part not cake or a part not strawberry. But what I did was I put some strawberry jam in the microwave and I'm just going to spread it over the top. Now you probably could get by if it was room temperature, I would bet. Mine was just straight out of the fridge, so just like that. I'm gonna let that cool and then I'll put my whipped topping on and show you what it looks like. So let me cut a beautiful piece. Oops, no, that's not gonna do anything good. Okay, now you can eat all you want. Okay, I came over to have my taste test. I guess the cake was delicious.
Was this all here?
Yeah,
before?
I'm not quite sure what happened here, but okay.
It got a little stuck right there.
Well, I don't think it's that stuck, is it? It's not stuck.
My shirt has glove on it.
I don't know what happened.
What? Oh, sorry.
Okay. So, I wonder if I should have you try it plain, because actually I was quite partial to it plain.
Were you?
Here. Hold on. Okay.
Ooh.
Try one bite plain and one bite strawberry shortcake style.
One bite plain. What is it?
2 ingredient 7-Up cake.
Mmm. That is really good plain.
Isn't it? I love it with the yellow cake.
It is really good plain. Although, being that
Okay.
I'm seeing Smucker's strawberry jam,
Yes.
Smucker's TM strawberry jam,
Yeah.
and some whipped cream,
So-
I might.
Does this taste like strawberry shortcake? Sort of.
Mm-hmm.
You got whipped cream on your lip. Do I need to kiss it off of you?
Yep, here. Yum, this is really delish. This is
Ooh,
dinner.
It's a 2-bite. It's a 2-bite thumbs up. How do you say that? 2 bites up?
Mm-hmm. Yum, this is delish.
Yay.